wants to be president in our group? Kusina?
I nominate basically for president.
Any nominees? Lubao?
No vote will be touched.
Any nominees? Alison? Makikita the nomination. So Alison closed the nomination.
Excuse me po, ma'am. The principal records your presence.
Okay. Sorry guys, principal's calling me. I will be back shortly.
Everyone vote Gabito. No vote for Jimar. How are you doing this? Who do you think you are? Jimar is the best president. No, Gabito is the best president. Stop, both of you acting like a child. Hey, Arvin, you need to vote Jimar or else you are out. And you also need to vote Jimar. You don't have a choice.
Again, guys. Now we're going to see Krakowi, President Pangalanan.
Now introduce yourself and what you can do as president.
My name is Nitin Capito. If you elect me as your president, you can be assured that you will and also my experience in this field has prepared me to address the challenges and give you some real results.
If you go to our classroom, is clean every day.
Okay, class, now we're going to vote now. Vote in favor of the meeting. Vote in favor for the Guzman.
Ano ito? Saan?
Vote in favor for the Guzman. So we have our new president, Nakakas, class meeting.
Why? Because I said so.
So,
I'm not president.
congratulations.